Okay, question 4 asks the difference between the structure of liquid water and the structure of ice, which is solid water. And so all it really comes down to, of course, the Lewis dot structure of water, but really it's that structure. As a liquid, the molecules are moving faster, so they don't have a definite structure. The hydrogen bonds between those separate molecules are constantly breaking and reforming just because they don't have enough time aligned together to be as strong. So, because they're shorter lifespans, they have less of an effect and less of an attraction between those molecules. On the other hand, hydrogen bonds in ice are kind of maximized. As these molecules are moving slower, they're going to try and position themselves in order to have the best alignment between the hydrogens and the oxygens, which means they're going to spread out into these kind of mini hexagons, take up more space technically, which makes it less dense, so the ice is going to float on the water. I don't know if you have a big bin of magnets at home or whatnot, but if you can even imagine, big bin of magnets, if you move your hands through them really fast and you get those molecules, those little magnets moving really fast, they're going to be in all different arrangements and positions, and they're not going to have as much of an attraction for each other, not going to get to align with each other as well as you're moving through there faster. But as your hands move slower, or even if you stop moving your hands through the magnets and just sit there and kind of jiggle and shake that container to let them move around a little bit, they're going to start to align their positives and negatives, their north and south ends, and start to get aligned in these kind of big clumps and areas and get bigger and bigger clumps, bigger and bigger kind of shapes. So, similar idea. Other little side note, ice is always going to float on water. So if a stranger offers you a glass of something and the ice is at the bottom of that cup, I might not drink that. So it's probably not water at the very least. So that's that. And next,